Hello guys, now I'm going to explain about how to fix issues with TCL Smart TV apps. If you experience issues with a particular channel not starting or a channel running improperly, this video will help you troubleshoot both a potential TV issues or internet connectivity issue. First of all, press the home button on your Roku TV remote. After that, scroll up or down and select settings. After that, press the right arrow button and select system. After that, press the right arrow button and select power. After that, select power on. After that, press the right arrow button and select system restart. Press the right arrow button and select restart. After that, press the OK button to confirm. Now your issue is fixed.